Local news for Monday the 10th of June. Pukaha National Wildlife Centre has officially opened as a wedding venue. Commercial Development Manager Sarah Watkins says all proceeds will go back into the work that we do with our birds. These options are perfect for those looking for an intimate ceremony immersed with nature that also contributes positively to local business and conservation. Weather conditions continue to prove difficult in the search for missing trapper Darren Myers. Mr Myers was due to walk out of the Tanarua Forest Park at Mount Holdsworth over a week ago. Helicopters were again in use yesterday as well as ground teams. Better weather is forecast for today. And Rangatane Tū Mai Rā Trust is launching a Rangatane Te Reo revitalisation program, Pō Reo, after securing funding from the Te Matawai Fund, which supports innovative in-home Te Reo programs. General Manager Evie Grace says in-home Te Reo programs are fantastic and provide invaluable resource in assisting Rangatane to meet collective aspirations around increased knowledge and proficiency in Te Reo amongst its people. In sports, in Premier Rugby from the weekend, Gladstone have gone top of the table after beating East Coast 32-24. Martinborough beat Ekatahoon at 17-16. Carterton dispatched Marist 39-22, while Marston Red Star defaulted to Greytown. Tuharangi continues to lead the senior reserve competition.